Good morning to one and all. Then I'm going to discuss the two more programs regarding this super keyword. We'll discuss now, right? So in the last class, I used the super keyword to access the instance variable. Okay. Now in this today's class, so program to demonstrate to access the parent class method using super keyword. Okay, this is the topic which we'll discuss today, and then we'll wind up. Okay, and see here the same program have been specified here. So here class name is what, vehicle. So it is the parent class. It has method name is what, speed. Return type is what, void. So in this I specified one statement, system dot out dot println 100 kilometers per hour. So here ends the method and here ends the class, the parent class which was completed. Now I'm going to take the one more class, nothing but a child class. So its name is what, Maruti. Class Maruti. Maruti is a subclass name or child class name. Extends what, vehicle. Extends what, vehicle. Extend is nothing but extends keyword is used to achieve the inheritance in Java. Yes, right. In this subclass, I taken one variable, instance variable. Max speed is how many kilometers? 180 kilometers. Is of what type? Int. So in this, I am going to specify one more method. See here, void method. Void speed method name is what? Speed. Speed is a method name. Return type is what? Void. So here I won't use any super keyword. Okay, then we'll see this one. I use what, system dot out dot println. Speed is max speed. Okay, see here what is this max speed value we are going to get here? This value is what? 180 is the maximum speed. Why? Because so this method speed is a method belongs to which class? Subclass. What? Maruti. So what are the instance variable has been specified? Its value will be displayed in the speed method. Then is what, demo class demo 15 is a main method. Public static void main. I created a object is what, m1 is the object. For Maruti is a subclass. And new is a what, operator. M1 is a object and Maruti is a constructor. So with the help of this object M1, I can invoke the method speed. So M1 dot speed. So we can see what value we are going to get, right? I wrote the command prompt JAVAC JavaC DEMO demo 15 dot Java, right? So now I have to run the code JAVA DEMO demo 15. So what you got now? You should not get this one. I'll share the code. So I'll change the name here, please. First of all, because you'll get the previous example, demo 16. Save as. We'll compile the source code. So you got what? We compile the source code. I'm going to run the code. What you got? Speed is what? 180. This is the speed is we got what? 180. See here. So this is the maximum speed we got is what? 180. So speed is what? Maximum speed. Okay, but we didn't get the value here. 100 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is nothing but this is the statement which is inside the parent class. Its name is vehicle. Parent class. Sorry, system dot out dot println is a statement which is inside a method. His name is what, speed. and the speed is a method is available where in the parent class. Parent class name is what? Vehicle. Then I want to display the statement which is inside the speed, or I want to display the method, okay, in a subclass, okay, now, so we can get 100 kilometers per hour. How it will possible? Use this one. This one, super dot speed. Super is a keyword, speed is a method. So it is used to invoke, it is used to invoke the method of, this is to invoke the parent class method. It is used to invoke the parent class method. Write the comment here. Right? I'll say the code. Then I'm going to run the code now. Successfully compiled. I'll run the code Java demo 15. What we got here? 100 kilometers per hour. This we got speed is what? 180. So this is the way. By using a super keyword, we can access the method belongs to which class? A parent class. So this is the method. METHOD method. Its name is speed. Right? Its name is what? Speed. So here, what is when to use the super keyword? Listen here. When to use the super keyword. So here in the vehicle is a parent class. So in that we have which method? Speed method. Return type is what? Void. Okay. Again, we have the same method in Maruti is a subclass. Extends what? Vehicle is a parent class. So we're having which method? Speed is a method name, which is this method name is already present in the where parent class. In such a case, in such a case, okay, in such case, if you want to access the parent class speed method in a subclass, parent class speed method in a subclass, then we can use the statement super dot speed. Then we can access the method of the parent class in subclass. Okay. So here when to use super keyword, here if the method names are common. See here in the above, here we have what? Void speed is a method in a parent class. Similarly, we have the same method name in a parent subclass or child class. In such case, we use super keyword, right? Then I'll go to next. Go to one more program. The charging better than a. So I'll go to the one more program. Program to demonstrate program to demonstrate to access the constructor of parent class using super keyword, right? So I'm going to write the code CALS class vehicle. His name is vehicle VHICLE vehicle. Okay. So here I'm going to take one constructor. We know that what meaning of constructor? constructor. What do you mean of constructor? Okay, now. So its name is same as the class name. Same as the class name. What is the class name here? Vehicle is a class name. So I create vehicle, VEHICL, vehicle. Right? So in this vehicle is a constructor. Here I'm going to set my statement is system dot out dot println uh, constructor in the parent class. I'm giving a small programs only, it's not the big programs. Consider in the parent class. So here ends the which one parent class. I'm going to class subclass Maruti extends VEHICL vehicle. So here I'm going to take one more constructor. So constructor MARUTHI. Here I have one statement. Control C, Control V. Constructor constructor in the child class, right? Constructor in the child class. I'm going to close this one, close this subclass. So I'm going to write the main method class DE demo 16 public static void main string args string args. I'm going to create object for subclass MARUTHL. Maruti M1 is equal to new Maruti MARUTHL. So we know that if you create a object for the class subclass Maruti, the constructor get executed automatically. So here we know that, okay, here. So Maruti is a what your subclass name, M1 is a what your method, M1 is a what object, new is a operator, Maruti is a what your constructor. Once again, so Maruti is a subclass name, M1 is a what object, new is a operator, Maruti is a what your constructor. So we know that. So when constructor is going to be executed, because here Maruti is a constructor, here we have to execute constructor in the child class. So when constructor is going to be executed, when an object of the class is created, so what the class name is what? Maruti. For this Maruti, object is what? M1. Whenever you create object for the class, then automatically constructor get activated. Constructor get what you are activated. Okay. So I'm going to save the code. Demo 16 already unda. So you can say the names here demo 17 because already name is there. So you can go for what demo 17 dot java. So I'll run the code, right? JAVSC, there's an array JAVSC demo 17 dot java. Okay, program was compiled successfully. I can run the code JAVA to run and compile, to run and execute. Sorry, demo 17. So here considering the parent class, considering the child class is got automatically got, right? So this is the way how we got this one, right? So now I'll make to understand here parent class instance market. So vehicle is a what your constructor, and we have what your Maruti is also a constructor. Super. The keyword which was used so that we can get the both word. So consider parent class, consider the child class. So if you use the super keyword, so the super keyword is used to access the uh, super keyword is here. If you use super, what will happen? If you use super here, so it is used to access the parent class. Constructor is what? Constructor is in the parent class. This is the way how the your super keyword can be placed a prominent role in three different places to invoke the immediate instance variable, to invoke the immediate instance of the parent class. It is used to invoke the immediate method of the parent class, and it is used to invoke the construct of the parent class. So that's why I told you that super keyword is used in the subclass to access the superclass members. So that may be a instance variable, that may be a method, that may be a constructor. So the super keyword we are using in the subclass, so we can access the parent class instance variables, its methods and constructors, right? Thank you very much.